Today I'm going to be showing you how to fix a download exceeded error on Google Drive. Let's get to the video. Okay, as you guys can see, I'm currently faced with an error here on Google Drive. I click download and this white bar is in the way. To start, you're going to go ahead and click on it. Okay, and once you click on it, let me zoom out for a second. You're going to want to go back to the Google Drive. We're going to go ahead and click this button right here. Okay, and as you can see, we're back. You're going to right click and create a new folder. Go ahead and create it. And I'm going to name it Savvy. You could choose any name you would like to choose. I'm going to just go with Savvy. You're going to click create. And then from here, what you're going to do, as you can see, Savvy is there. And then you're going to go to start on the side. And as you can see, there is the file that I'm trying to download. So I'm going to go ahead and right click it. And then we're going to go down to organize. And then we're going to go add to shortcut. And as you can see, Savvy, my folder that I just created is right here with the file inside of it. So what I'm going to do is download and I am good to go. Once again, thank you guys so much for watching this video. Don't forget to smash that like button. Don't forget to subscribe and I'll see you guys in the next one. Until we meet again.